Hello. So in this video we are going to see how dynamic field mapping module will work. So the purpose of the module is to handle or manage dynamic field mapping. So for example, if you want to pass some data into one model to another model, so in which Odoo will work. So in that we can able to map some of the fields. So for this purpose we can use this module. Okay, so we have given these main menu over here, and firstly we given group and security. So we go to settings and user and company and user, and we are logging into 𝗙𝗘𝗦. So go to this, and in that if we search dynamic field mapping, so you can see that we given group. So for this group only user we have access of this group, they able to manage or able to see this group, see this menu. So right now I am disable it to show you how it is work. So now we go to dashboard, and you can see that no menu, no any module can able to manage. So now we go again to settings, users and 𝗙𝗘𝗦, and search for the dynamic field mapping and enable it and just save. Okay, and now we go to dashboard. So you can see that dynamic field mapping is now available. So currently we can say that added two things here. So you just need to create new record. In that you need to select mapping model from and mapping model to. So from which model you want to pass data, and from which model you have to pass data. Okay, so for example, right now we covered two things from sale order. When we confirm the sale order, at that time if you notice that delivery order is created, so delivery order is our transfer. So in that module or model, if you want to transfer the data of sale order, any particular field or any custom field which is not available in Odoo, then if you taken some new field, and you just need to set these data over here, and in this section you need to select field. So mapping field lines and mapping model from field selection and mapping model to field selection. So from sale order, which field you want to map with transfers field. So we created some new fields. So for example, analytic account, this field we want to set with analytic account in stock picking. So we set this field over here, and we set some another field. Okay, so as of now we selected two fields over here. Okay, and you just need to save this record. Okay, and now when we now going to confirm our sale order, at that time if we selected, so now we go into sales, and in that create new order, selecting customer, and you can see that we selected two fields, which is test one and second is analytic account. So I just enter testing detail, and this is relation field many to one. That field you also can able to manage. Okay, so we just enter operating cost, adding some product. Okay, and save it and confirm it. So you can see that delivery order is now created. So now we go to delivery order. Yes, so you can see that that testing detail which is selected, which is we set in cell order, that is mapped with transfers field. And another is analytic account, which is also available in stock picking. That condition is the same field you need to same field, same type, same relation we need to available over here. So that value is also passed in analytic account. Okay, so like this it will work. So now we go back to our module. Okay, so here you need to select same type field. If you selecting any relational field which is many to one, many to many, then you have to maintain the relation. And the third thing, if you are selecting here from and to, so you need to select the same models field. Okay, and we also given tracking detail here, that if you change some records detail over here, and you just need you when you just save, at that time you will able to get detail that earlier it is transfer and now it is journal entry. Okay, and here if I add some another line, so for example one product and product over here also, and now I save it. So you can see that the tracking of this field we also set. So old values of mapping field lines are these, and new values of mapping fields lines are these. Okay, so as per these conditions you can able to manage. And one more thing we added, that when you are going to create invoice from sale order, then also if you able to, if you want to pass data, then you have to create one new record. For example, we selecting sale order and mapping to journal entry which is invoice. Okay, and in that if you want to pass, okay, so we have set two fields over here, that test one and analytic account. We need to map with sale order to, from sale order to journal entry which is invoice. So now we save this record, and now we go back to that our record which we just created some time ago. So in that you already seen the mapping between sale order to delivery order. Now we create invoice and selecting a regular invoice. So you can see that the test one which is detail over here, and analytic account which is detail over here. So these two fields data also mapped with this invoice. Okay, so like this our module will work. Okay, so as per your requirement you can able to select field, but you need to maintain some restriction that those both fields are with same type. If relation field, then it is from same relation. Okay, so this is the, and you only need to create one record. For example, if you are going to create one new record with the same data from and to, then you are not able to create it. So for example, sell order transfer, we selecting some new order, then Odoo will restrict you that the operation cannot be completed, mapping models must be unique. So you need to add your fields over here. You don't need to create any new record. Okay, so this type of work will happen in this module. So it will help to dynamic field mapping from your sell order module to another module which is available right now, which is transfer and journal entry, which is invoice. Okay, thank you.